Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the alternator on BMW 320D E90 model. The alternator on this car is located on top of the engine, just there. First thing we need to do is disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. The battery is located in the trunk compartment on the right side, just underneath these plastic covers and trims. First we need to remove this air intake box, which is held by a couple of Torx bolts. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Next we need to remove the serpentine belt. The serpentine belt is just there. Down there we can see is the belt tensioner and the tensioner pulley. We need to loosen the tensioner so that we can remove the belt. So we need a ratchet and a long socket in order to loosen the tensioner pulley. I will just put the socket onto the tensioner pulley bolt and just turn it clockwise until the belt gets loose, and then we can remove the belt. Now the belt is removed. Now that we've removed the serpentine belt, next we can remove the alternator. First we'll start by removing the power cable that goes to the alternator. We also need to remove the electrical connector, and then we can remove the alternator. The alternator is held by two bolts size 16. Now that the two bolts are removed, we can take out the alternator. We might need a pry bar in order to remove it because it might be stuck in its place, and that's it. And the alternator is out. Now we can replace it or just repair it and then put it back on the car. Now we'll start assembling everything in the reverse order. First we'll put on the two bolts that hold the alternator and tighten them. Then we're going to put on the power cable and the electrical connector, and okay, once everything is assembled, we can start the car and we're done. Thank you for watching.